forces out of Explosivo. Pass the begin, time away, and on the outside is Insider, then followed by Kay Inday, Britney's Glory, and Secret of the Champ is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Explosivo by about 3 for Palenka. Running by Drell, second is time away for lengths to Winter Insider. Kay Inday moving up by Drell Port, and on the outside, Britney's Glory. A long way back to Secret of the Champ. Explosivo, time away, moving up by Drell to take the lead. It's now time away, and on the outside is Explosivo. 7 lengths to Winter Insider. Down on the inside, Kay Inday, and on the outside, Britney's Glory. Time away, and Explosivo keep on fighting it out for the lead. Time away, once again, back to a length lead, Explosivo. Then here comes Kay Inday, now coming closer in third. As they come down to the last 100, we have time away, Explosivo. Kay Inday's on the outside, Insider, but it's still time away by about 2 lengths. Kay Inday's on the outside, Insider, time away. Kay Inday's on the outside. Kay Inday, time away. And finally, it's a close finish. Kay Inday, time away. Then comes number 4, Insider.
Alright, so it was 5-1-4. Datingan natin, Kay Inday.